Hello guys, I am Faizan and you are watching Techolic, and in this video I am going to show you how to install MIUI 8 in your S3 Neo. So you know what to do. Turn off your phone, hold down the power button and volume up button to get to the TWRP recovery, and as you can see now we are booting into TWRP recovery. So after we go there, go to wipe and swipe back to factory reset, and then click back, advanced wipe, select all except the SD card. So select LVIC, system, data, internal and cache, and then swipe to flash, swipe to wipe, sorry, and then back again, back, and click on install and locate the file. In my case it's in SD card in ROM. It is ROM. This is the file, the link down in the description, and then swipe confirm to flash. Wait for it to flash, it will take sometimes maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, it's now flashed. So reboot the system, and first boot may take some time. It also takes 10 to 15 minutes to boot your phone. You have to be patient. Now it's booting in MI. So now we booted in MIUI 8. So let me do the setup. India. So as you can see, the setup is completed. So it's working fine. So this has two bugs: the camera is not working and the Play Store is also not working. So you have to download the apps from the MI Store. You have to download apps from the MI App Store. So you can download it from there. These are the two bugs which are in this ROM. Everything works fine. So first let me show you the Android version of this ROM. So as you can see, go down about phone, and it's 6.0.1, and it's run on MIUI 8.6. So as you can see, this ROM is just fine. Okay, so as I said earlier, the Play Store does not work on this ROM, but I tried to install GApps and it's working. The Play Store is working on this ROM. So I put the link in the description of GApps. You can download it and install it just the same way we install the ROM. So let me show you installing WhatsApp. Oh sorry, my spelling mistake. As you can see, it's installing. WhatsApp is installing, so Play Store is working just fine. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you